Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about if it is possible to find someone on Roblox without their username. Alright, now let's find out. Okay, so here we are in Roblox on our web browser. Now, let's say, for example, you played with someone, but you forgot to add them as a friend during the game, and now you want to add them, but you don't know their username. Or maybe, for example, you accidentally deleted a friend and you forgot their username in Roblox. So, is there a way to add them without knowing their username? Well, the quick answer is no, but there are a few things that you can do that might help you out. Alright, so first is you can go to your browser's history and look for information in there. So maybe you visited their profile in Roblox, so it is going to show up in your search history. So for example, for this one, I can go ahead and go to this page and I can add this as a friend. Okay, but other than that, actually there is no official way to add someone without their username in Roblox. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.